Just doing the inner seals on the axle there now. There's one. They weren't that bad, that's just rough because I bet it over. So that's one in. It's the other one in shite as well. Anyway, just tap it in with that. Just use this yoke here. Give it a few taps and do the job. That's the second one done anyway. Just have to go down to the press now and push in the last hardy splicers into that, and that's it, completely done. Just putting these in here now. Makes some difference having the press. The last ones I did at home in the vise, and absolute bastard. No, should have just waited. But just enough room there now for the circlip. That's the job. Now that's both half shafts completely done. Just ready for painting it now. Just have to get the weather. So I'll paint the axle. Ideally I'd like to take the axle off the tractor, but fuck, that's too heavy. Try to manhandle that thing. Yeah. Just took the four-wheel drive shaft off there. I'm going to take the rack and pinion out now as well, because I'm just going to do the seal and the bearing in there while I'm here. See, it's a bit wet there. Now, it's a bit wet there, but that could be that hardy splicer in there, which more than likely could be. So I'm going to have to replace that too. But I'm going to do the sealing that in there, because why not when I'm here. So that's it out there now, and spinning around there. I don't see anything broke. All the teeth are in good order. Same within there. There's nothing broke. Now there's a bearing there and a bearing here, but don't know, should I do them or while I'm in here? I'll see. Now I was told I could do this seal here without stripping all of that, so I'm just going to pull that cap off, open that nut and see what I can do. Now that's the cap and the nut off, and they were a bastard now. And if this, I think it's threaded. Yep. Hopefully be able to access the seal here. Go back to it in a minute. So that's that outer cap off, and there's the seal. I've just popped it out. Second. No, that's the old seal out. So I was able to get it out without stripping the whole inners. Now, just here at this rack and pinion now, I'm going to put in the new seals that I got. And I want to say thanks to John Connedy for sponsoring this video again. That's one of the seals there, one of 3 seals I got off them there today. The other 2 seals were for the back half axles, so that'll be another video. But so just put all this back in reverse now, and we'll go from there. So that's it all tapped in nice and gentle with this piece of timber here. Just going to throw a bit of oil in there around this here. make it easier to slide it on, do no harm. Now that's it all back on, tightened up, file down that there from tapping it with the chisel, and this cap goes back on just like that. But I'm going to leave it off for a few minutes because I'm going to clean it down with petrol and that, get it ready for spraying. So that's practically it done. Now all clean and ready for paint. So now they all got their first coat of primer. Not too bad.